When most people think about shooting manual, they just think about exposure settings. But what about your autofocus? Most cameras are going to have three variations of autofocus. One shot, the one I use the most. This is going to lock your focus distance once you hold your focus button. If you can predict where something will be or it's a still object, use this one. It locks it in, so even if something passes in front of you or your object goes out of view, you're all good. You're ready the second your subject enters the plane of focus, and no funny business if it's still. AI focus is essentially an auto mode. It's trying to guess whether or not you're trying to use one shot or servo. I personally never use this, but if this is how you capture beautiful photographs, all the power to you. Servo is going to continuously change focus distances, constantly correcting where your point is. This is perfect for a bride coming down the aisle or tracking a player in sports. Also consider this if you are the one moving, such as taking photos in a car. Some cameras can even track objects automatically. Most cameras will have a button to quickly change between modes for just a single shot. Even more cameras should have a button to permanently change the mode without having to jump into your menus. Different situations call for different modes, so you should really be using both. So it's helpful, most cameras will even show you the mode in the viewfinder, so hopefully you never miss a moment. So I hope you can travel somewhere cool, take it in, and if you're lucky, maybe get a cool photo. Cheers.